Learn Deori Grammar Lesson 1 Introduction to the Deori Language. Hello everyone and welcome to our Deori Grammar Learning Series. My name is Jyoti Prashad Deori, and through this series I will help you learn the Deori language step by step in a simple and systematic way. What is the Deori language? The Deori language is the traditional language of the Deori people, one of the indigenous communities of Assam, India. It belongs to the Tibeto-Burman language family and carries a rich cultural, historical, and linguistic heritage. For generations, the Deori language has been an important part of the identity, traditions, folklore, songs, and daily life of the Deori community. Why should we learn Deori? Learning the Deori language is important because it helps preserve our linguistic heritage. It strengthens our cultural identity. It enables younger generations to connect with their roots. It promotes the documentation and development of the language. It ensures that the language continues to thrive in the future. What will you learn in this series? In the upcoming lessons, we will learn pronouns, nouns, verbs, adjectives, vocabulary building, and advanced grammar concepts. Each lesson will be explained clearly with examples in Deori, English and Hindi whenever necessary. Who can join this course? This course is designed for beginners who want to learn Deori, members of the Deori community. Let's explore the Deori language. Calling all students and active researchers, come discover a rich heritage and culture. The goal of this series is not only to teach grammar, but also to contribute to the preservation, promotion, and development of the Deori language for future generations. Thank you for joining this first lesson. In the next lesson, we will begin with Deori pronouns, one of the most important foundations of Deori grammar. Let's learn, preserve, and promote the Deori language together. Thank you and see you in lesson 2, Igabasiga. Jario chuna jore dagaren.